Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send your Monopoly Go link. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Monopoly Go application, and after opening the application, you will have to simply log in using your user credentials. After this, you'll have to simply click on the three-lined icon at the top right corner. So on this page, you'll have to simply click on friends icon at the bottom right corner, and you will see your friend code appearing just right here. Now, in order to send your Monopoly Go link, click on the share icon that is just right here, and you will see all your contacts appearing in this section. You can choose to send your Monopoly Go link through any one of these platforms. I have WhatsApp, Slack, Gmail, Insta, and when I click on more, I'll be able to send this Monopoly Go link with other platforms too. So you can select any one of these platforms, select the person whom you want to share this link to, click on send, and you can successfully send your Monopoly Go link by doing this. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.